Brandon Wakaraja today took the bold step to apologize to Mary Lincoln for the insults and all the wrong things he had said about her some few months ago. Na mafans ake nĩmamũnyitĩrĩire mũno, they've applauded him. Na nĩacokire ongerera ndũmĩrĩri ĩngĩ Facebook-inĩ akiuga kwĩnyihia nĩ kwega, Mary nĩwe wandehire industry-inĩ ya aini na akinyonithania na aini othe. In fact, moigaga ndĩ driver yake, she had the guts to introduce me to her family at large. In fact, the husband appreciated me and he always calls me his son. Na Mary Lincoln yacokire ona ndũmĩrĩri ĩyo, and she came through saying, nilikusamehe kitambo my son cause nilijua haujui utendalo, naye Mungu amenifunza kunyamaza. Mary Lincoln says yeye hata alimsamehe kitambo sana. Na Brandon yacokire ongerera Mary Lincoln kururira how, thanks for accepting me back. I know it has been tough considering the insults and all that, but you truly did it for the mother's love you had for me. Mama, I love you so much. Now it's all behind them, it's all in the past. Na mafans ao nĩmatwĩkire gũkenerera ũndũ ũyũ mũno. Martha Njombai wrote, Brandon, it takes courage to do this. May God bless you for realizing your mistakes. Sarah Favored wrote, the reason why I call her my superwoman. Such kind of heart is very rare to find. Just love you for free, Mary Lincoln. Sammy Dhua said, asking for forgiveness does not make the gentleman in you weak. Andû wrote, wow, that is adorable. Ona igũrũ nĩ rĩakena, be blessed. And Kezia Joseph wrote, may love stick forever kati yenyu. It feels good to be forgiven and granted another chance. Indeed, we wish them all the best in the way forward.